When we launch in 2019, not only will we be able to offer your customers more customization in our larger commercial units, but we're also going to be able to offer more customization in smaller spaces as well. Here's an example of one of our new cooktops coming in 2019. This is our induction unit. It will be coming in a 24, a 30, and a 36-inch configuration. It will be coming in both a black and a stainless finish. And as you can see here, that stainless has been installed flush for the consumer that's looking for that finished look in their kitchen. This unit is going to be tap touch and it has flex zones. So that means your customer can use our front element or the back element, or they can bridge them together to have total flexibility for their cooking at home. Along with the new induction modules, we're also going to be bringing new electric cooktops to market. They will be offering our durafinish covering, so we can talk about less scratching, easier to clean, and all of our tap touch unit will be Wi-Fi as well. This is our Accolade Downdraft Hood. The story of JennAir and the JennAir brand starts with our founder, Lou Jenn. Lou Jenn was an HVAC engineer in Indianapolis, and one day he was celebrating his company's successes by having a barbecue at his home. The weather unfortunately turned a little ugly. He moved his grill into the garage, but that smoke and steam and odor kept getting in his face. Being an HVAC engineer, he set up a fan to draw that smoke, steam, and odor away, and the idea of downdraft was born. Lou Jenn is not only credited with defying the laws of physics with downdraft, Lou Jenn is also credited with discovering the open plan for kitchens and the home. Now, our Accolade is handmade in Germany with stainless steel and polished glass. We're only able to produce 3 a day. It does not come with a blower, so for the customer, they can either attach it with a 600 or a 1200 CFM, and it can be circulated outside or recirculated inside to the home. So we have a few other modules that are in the market to talk about. This is our induction module. Now, just like that first unit that we saw, this unit also offers flex zones. So they could use the first element, the front element, the back, or they could bridge the two together. So if they're looking to do some cooking with their griddle, they could order our JennAir griddle accessory and put it as such. We'll offer a power boost, and now we can offer the customer 3,700 watts in an induction. Clearly, again, this unit is going to be able to be installed flush if that's the look your consumer is going for. Next beside it, we have our beautiful concave wok induction module. We have not only had a beautiful finish for that concave wok, but we've also built a perfect accessory to fit in it for your consumer here as well. This will go up to 3,000 watts. So if your customer is into Asian cuisine, looking to expand their prowess in Asian cuisine, this is something that you should definitely be talking to them about. Now, if it is gas that your consumer is looking for, this is our first option for them. It's a 2-burner. Each burner has 15,000 BTUs. We have that matching visual brand language that we'll see in the rest of our cooktops with that backlit white LED knob. The front burner here is also a dual stacked burner, and we talked about that in commercial ranges. So you can translate to your customer high heats when they need to sear and infuse that flavor, low heats if they're doing something that's a little more gentler like a simmer or a keep warm. Now, matching up with here, few more options to go through. 1, we have our industry's best cleaning griddle. We love our chrome infused griddle. Now, we have increased the power. This is now 1,800 watts for your consumer. And when I mean chrome infused, it simply means it's an easy to clean property. The chrome has gone all the way through the cooktop, so the thickness is about the same as my pinky finger. That means your customer would have to slice through all of that to start losing the easy to clean properties that we're offering. Now, this is an electric griddle versus the competition, which is what we call a teppanyaki. A teppanyaki has a heat and a flame spreader down the middle. The cooking can only happen in the middle, and then the finished products get pushed to the side. When you offer an electric griddle, this is 100% usable space for your consumer with even heat no matter where they put their item. Anything your customer cooks in a pan can now be cooked on that beautiful JennAir chrome infused griddle. Beside it, we're offering our Downdraft Strip. We recommend for every 1 module that there is, of course, some sort of ventilation. In this case, we're offering our 310 CFM Downdraft Strip. It's 4 inches wide by 21 inches deep. This unit too can be installed so it is vented out or recirculated inside the house, 2 fan speeds. And then finally, one other option in our 15 by 21 inch depth. This is my single burner gas ring. It comes with a wok, that same backlit LED knob. We've increased the power to 20,000 BTUs. For your customer, again, who's looking to do some increased Asian cooking, JennAir has gone ahead and custom made a flat bottom wok that's available as an accessory as well. Now, the reason that all of our modules are 21 inches deep is because we designed them to align with two cooktops that were already in the market. This is our JGC 3630 or our 3530. If that's what you've sold your customer recently, but they were really hoping to have customization with an additional griddle or perhaps get into induction cooking, that module will align perfectly with the same depth here. And as you can see, it too can be installed flush. Now, we don't see a lot of modules on store floors, and that's because none of our competitors have really done anything in the module category in a long time. We call this a no comparison comparison. There are other high-end luxury manufacturers that simply do not offer the breadth and depth of the lineup of our modules, and they certainly do not offer the fit and finish as well. When you sell your customer a module in JennAir brand, it comes with everything required for an installation, so there's no extra line items and no extra costs. And with the exception of our Downdraft Strip, all of our modules are improved for installation over a single wall oven.